investigation is concerned. Let's quickly get an update also coming in from Shweta. What we are learning that Saif Ali Khan in all likelihood would be discharged from the Lilavati hospital. His statement is also likely to be recorded as far as we are looking at family members, Shweta, and other people from the Bollywood film industry also paying the actor a visit at the hospital. Is he going to be discharged today?
Well, that's right, Amita. In fact, most likely the actor Saif Ali Khan is expected to get discharged today evening or tomorrow morning. This is what we are hearing from the team of doctors from Lilavati Hospital. Moreover, the doctors have also stated that he is recovering well. In fact, as from past few days, he has been responding to the treatment well. But yes, when it comes to a deep injury that had sustained near the spinal cord due to the infection factor, that was one of the reasons that why he is still under the observation and under complete bed rest at Lilavati. And it has been said by this team of doctors that most likely after observing his parameters, after checking his vitals, he can be discharged today evening or tomorrow. Meanwhile, yes, when it comes to the statement recording of the actor, that is very crucial in this entire case. What went during that fateful night, and how did he get attacked? All these are the questions that the police officials would also be recording his statement. But before that, his health condition, which has been said by the team of doctors, is that he is going to be discharged by today evening or tomorrow, most likely. Meanwhile, yes, Amita, that's right, that since morning also, as we are reporting from Lilavati Hospital, several friends and family members, in fact his relatives, are paying
to be
visit.
Seen if he seems to be recovering well, if Saif Ali Khan would be discharged. But Anuril, while you were taking up the question as far as the lawyer who seems to be representing the accused, the stabber in the case, one question that arises in the mind is then why wasn't he able to procure legal documents exactly about his nationality, whatever he was doing and where else he was staying? There weren't any legal documents that were found on him apparently. Unable to hear you there, Arunil. We just reconnect that line. But what all now that we are hearing as far as the accused who has been nabbed, but when it comes to the mystery, however, continues over several of those unanswered questions there. Let's in the meantime take you through what it comes to the questions in mind, because ever since this incident has taken place,